Welcome to 1832 South Broad Street. Come on and let's take a look. All of the stone and all of the cabinets have been imported from Europe, a lot of them from Italy. It is truly a remarkable home right on South Broad Street. Floor to ceiling windows. You have solid caramel hardwood floors throughout the entire home. Check out the kitchen. We have a beautiful wine case here. Solid quartz from Italy. An open stairwell with glass throughout the entire home from top to bottom. And we have your office. Take a look. All the ceilings in this exquisite home are 12 feet high. And here's your outdoor patio for your first floor outdoor space. If you notice throughout the home, every single bedroom has the wardrobes already built in. Your laundry room has beautiful stone cabinets and a full sink. Another full bathroom with beautiful marble. You notice that it's another nice attention to detail that every bedroom has this. If you could take a look straight back. Welcome to your primary suite at 1832 South Broad Street. It's your primary suite. When's the last time you saw a bedroom this big? You can open the window like this. Floor to ceiling windows. What's beautiful is that you can see out, but they can't see in. Take a look at this primary closet. Closets. And here you go. This mirror actually moves. Take a look at this primary spectacular bathroom. Have you seen anything more gorgeous than this? Let's go check out the best view in the city. For beverage center, wine, beverages, your glasses, utility sink. Are you ready? Check out this deck. And you're gonna have a party of a party. Center City, the river. I want to show you something super cool that I bet you've never seen on any roof deck before. It's a surprise. You ready? Welcome to 1832 South Broad Street. Your fully finished basement. This could be the living room for your in-laws or your all-pair suite. Come right in from Broad Street as a separate entrance. This is your 5th full bath. So this house has 5 full baths and 2 half baths. You have your powder room and you have a half bath on the roof deck. You have an office or another bedroom. And the downstairs also has access to the backyard. Thank you for touring 1832 South Broad Street, steps from Passyunk Avenue in Passyunk Square. This 5-bedroom, 5 full bath, 2 half bath, gorgeous roof deck, 10-year tax abatement, 4,300 square feet, 1-year builder warranty, parking right down the street secured, could be yours. Give me a call for a tour at 215-607-3535, or you can email me at maria@callmq.com. I look forward to seeing you soon and making this your home.